In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Now before starting recording, click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. Now to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. Then wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this left button. To add a bookmark, tap on the right one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. Now to play it, tap on it. To rename it, you need to hold it instead and tap on rename option at the top. Then type in wherever you want to and hit OK. If you wish to delete it instead, hold it again. But this time select delete option instead of rename one and confirm your choice in this pop-up at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!